Kyle Bradshaw from Chaparral Motorsports here with Deb from Nelson Rigg. Now today I'm excited. So we're here in the booth. Yep. You guys have been doing motorcycle luggage longer than just about anybody in the industry. You guys have been here for a really long time.
1979.
1979. They've been making motorcycle or power sport specific units to go on your vehicles to make you be able to travel where you want to with the stuff you want to take with you. Now, this year we have some new stuff. Now last year or the year before, we had the Adventure line that came out. The Rigg Gear Adventure line of products came out that allowed you to take your adventure bike, your dual sport, outfit it, and be able to take more stuff with you out into the backcountry. This year we have a neat new line of products. Now tell us about this line here real quick, Deb.
This is Route 1. We decided to come out with a total cruiser collection, a first for Nelson Rigg. We had some products for cruisers that were 1 or 2 pieces, but now what we want to do is make sure we have a piece for every rider for every bike. So it's not just on a Harley tour trunk, it's for the Sportster, the Bolt, anything, any type of bike. What we did is we came up with a collection that has its own logo, Route 1, so that'll be something that will be easy to see from the rider's perspective. And we also decided to name each piece rather than selling it by a part number. Nobody really remembers a part number we want to recognize, so we've got the day trip bag. So somebody looks at that and goes, oh, I'm going on my day trip. There's science here. There's science.
And this guy's like, I want to take a trip. I'm going to be a traveler.
That's it. That is my traveler tour trunk bag. That is a fitment. That is tour trunk only.
And that must be the Sturgis bag. I want to go to one place and be done.
And go to my destination. So the destination is a sissy bar backrest bag. Okay. It's something that's more for 2 riders because it's a bigger volume capacity.
Okay, nice.
But the version step down from that is the getaway. So we've got destination getaway. The piece is kind of fun because you've got it so that it can go on a sissy bar backrest. It can sit with the rider or behind the rider on the passenger seat. If it's on a rack and somebody wants to get at their gear, you're going up against your bike and like, oh, you know what? It's time to change into my jeans, and oh, I packed them at the bottom of my luggage. So zip it down, pull out my jeans, zip it back up. But then if I want my shirt, then I go into the top, or if I want to just store my goggles or something easy.
It's convenient.
Very different combination, easy access. What we also decided to do, because we came out last year with our Defender Extreme motorcycle cover that is with Ultramax material. Okay. What we did with the Ultramax material now is kick it up to 1680 denier material.
1680 denier, do you hear that?
So
that's
300
crazy.
Is the motorcycle cover. Now it's 1680, and you can see it in the density of the textile. So now, not only is it quality luggage, but it's less likely to fade than anything else. Everybody out there has seen that there's purple black luggage or brown black luggage after it goes through the years. That won't fade. Rain hoods come on most of the pieces with the exception of this one. This piece actually, the day trip actually integrates with the highway roller bag, and that's going to be something that rain hood is going to go over both pieces together. So tried to come up with all the different pieces that will work with every rider's needs. And then to complement it on the tank, a little tank bag that also very magnetic, metal tank only, a little bit of expansion, but great inside because then the rider can toss in their parts and be able to see what they tossed in.
Perfect.
A rain hood that goes over it.
Nice. So is it in stock, ready to roll?
We've got the Journey tank bag is in stock. The Traveler Tour Trunk is in stock. The rest of the pieces we're going to launch January 1 of 2019.
Okay, so 2019, this is the gear that you need if you're looking to venture out. Now, if you're an adventure guy, using that as a segue.
This is our new dual sport collection. Decided to come out with a collection of 5 pieces that are good for that dual sport adventure rider. First piece is the front fender bag made with our Ultramax material, so it's fade resistant, durable, 1680 polyester, but it's got a tension clip on the front. A lot of riders that want a front fender bag don't want to physically hard mount it to the fender, so we did a tension mount. This is a good piece just to hold an inner tube. Zipper will show you that inner tube not sold with it, but good good storage capabilities for the front. It also has MOLLE web on the top to be able to access a MOLLE clip. Rear fender bag, MSRP on this is $39.95. Rear fender bag, really nice option. We decided to hard mount this because when you're taking off, you're going off on your bike, you don't want to lose anything off the back. So the hard mount, the bolts and everything come with it. Again, Molly panel in the front, made with our Ultramax material, lifetime warranty on the Rigg gear items. But this piece, we also decided to include a tool roll in the kit. So now the rider can put their tools together, roll it in, clip it in, attach it with the quick release. Also be able to have a waterproof pocket so that if they need something to be absolutely waterproof, that locks down, zip it together. Really good price point is $49.95. And then if the rider just wants the tool roll by itself, that's sold separately at $24.95. The other thing that we pulled together is our Trails End tank bag. Nice soft gripper material underneath for plastic and metal tanks, but we decided to add a quick release attachment rather than any type of D-rings. Much easier when a rider's gloved hands try to get at the straps and at the gas tank. Easy on, easy off. The tank bag has expansion. Comes up another 2 inches. We always include a rain hood with our gear so that the tank bag is waterproof. On the MSRP on this is $99.95. Again, 100% waterproof. Dual sport sets of saddlebags, that came out 3 years ago. Very easy, another tension mount, throw over style, tool pocket underneath, double.
Oh, I've never seen that before.
Yeah, double folded Velcro so you can slip your tools in there. Velcro down, Velcro down. This is also reflective, so you've got reflective properties there. And to access the bag, you can get in through there, but then there's an extra expansion pocket that also pulls out in case you want to store your coat. This is our Hurricane backpack. We decided to come out with 2 styles. The popularity of our dry bags said the consumers wanted a backpack for the rider to wear. We do a 20-liter and a 40-liter, and the name is Hurricane. We also did something that is a good donation purpose for the American Red Cross. We named it Hurricane, and then all the proceeds of $1.25 per sale of each backpack goes to hurricane relief, because when these came out in August last year, it was perfect timing to be able to do hurricane relief for Florida. The features and benefits of this is 100% waterproof. It has an air purge valve, so when the rider seals it, you have all that air in there. You want to squeeze the air out, lock that in, no problem. It also got the quick release side straps. Unfold, unfold, unfold. And then inside, massive amounts of storage. And then there's also a laptop sleeve inside to be able to keep a laptop protected as the rider's jostling around. This is first and foremost a backpack. Backpack straps are reinforced, padded. You've got padded on the back, and then an airfoil so that when the rider's riding, it keeps the backpack off their back but allows air to circulate so they don't get all sweaty. These are not detachable because it is a backpack, but as I mentioned, the rider may want to take this off his back and then lay it down. If you want to zoom into this picture, it shows the backpack turned into a tail bag because the straps that have come in the kit allow it to strap to the back end of the bike. Perfect. There's also the Molly panel in front. Waterproof pocket on the other side. You can switch that around in case you want to be able to have something be seen when you're riding. And then there's also a hydration pocket. The hydration bladder is sold separately, but allows for the hydration bladder to be locked in place. So we need to hydrate when we ride. Perfect. Fuel bottle pockets for each side. Then when they're zipped down, that clicks back together, and then this will allow the fuel bottle to stay in place. There we go.
We have all of the adventure luggage back here. All the adventure luggage is going to be dry bag type material. Correct. So we know that you guys are out there in the elements, not stopping for anything. So that line of gear, what's that line called?
Rigg Gear Adventure.
That's the Rigg Gear Adventures. That's the same as the dual sport type stuff. But again, all waterproof material, dry bag type setup, so you can be covered in all aspects.
Yeah, it's the Ridge roll bags that come in the 15-liter or the 30-liter. The deluxe gear bag, that's also 40-liter. And then for the dual sport riders, the new Hurricane backpack.
And there you have it. That's just a quick run through of the Nelson Rigg products for 2019. We've got them all on the floor at Chaparral Motorsports, or you can visit chapmoto.com. You can click, purchase, and it'll come straight to your door. I'm Kyle Bradshaw. Thanks for watching. Until next time, take care and ride safe.